Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if Reddit's not loading in Chrome. So to start, check your internet connection. So go to Start menu and go to Settings. Once you're here, go to Network and Internet. Then select Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also switch to another internet or another Wi Fi network. You can restart your router if websites are loading slowly, or you can also switch from Wi Fi to mobile data or hotspot or mobile data to Wi Fi. Next is to reload the page. So go to Reddit and click this reload button right here. Reload it and see if that works. Next is to clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Delete Browsing Data. Then select the time frame at the top. Then select or check Cache Images and Files. Then Cookies and Other Site Data. Then click Delete Data to confirm the action. Then go back to Reddit, reload the page, and see if that works. Next is to disable browser extensions. So click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Extensions. Then go to Manage Extensions. Then turn off extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. Then go back to Reddit, reload the page, and see if the issue is resolved. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.